how sweet it is to be loved by you. Hey yo, world. It's your boy TrueS. You hear me? Nature loves you, man. Nature loves me. Nature loves us. Nature gives us everything we need to survive, to live, to be enlightened, to be healed, to be satisfied. You hear me? Look at my sleepy eyes, man. Runs of the family. You hear me? Yo, nature gives us everything we need, man. Nature loves us so much. So when we connect to nature, it feels the love that we have or have not for it. Yeah, man. Speaking on that, I'm gonna go put my feet to the ground ASAP. Apparently, I'm on the road right now, and when I have this desire to talk to the people, whoever I'm talking to, man, sooner or later, man, we gonna pop, man, and somebody gonna be able to share. But nature loves us. You know, nature's love is what is going to bring us through. So this whole thing is about nature, man. And if you look, it's like we adding to nature. We're adding to what's already here. You know, for our own convenience. But there's so much bliss and satisfaction in just enjoying nature. It's your boy TrueS. Nature's love. Peace.